Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Learn with Sumi. In this video we are going to find the angle between the surfaces. There are two surfaces given at the point 2, minus 1, 2. Okay, so to find the angle between the surfaces we need to find the del phi 1 and del phi 2, and then we can substitute in this formula, then we will get the angle. Okay, so the solution, we'll get started with the solution. So the given surfaces are x square plus y square plus z square is equals to 9. Okay, this is the first surface. Let me mark it as equation 1. And the second surface is x square plus y square minus z is equals to 3. So let me mark this as equation 2. Now let phi 1 is equals to x square plus y square plus z square, and phi 2 is equals to x square plus y square minus z. Alright, so now vector normal to the first surface is given by del phi 1 is equals to I into dou phi 1 by dou x plus j into dou phi 1 by dou y plus k dou phi 1 by dou z. Alright, so let me get a fresh paper to continue. Okay, so this is what I have written, the first surface. This can be written as 2xi, alright, plus 2yj. Here I'm just partially differentiating with respect to x, with respect to y, partially differentiating with respect to x, with respect to y, and with respect to z. So this is going to be 2xi plus 2yj plus 2zk. Alright, so this is going to be del phi 1 at the point 2. Okay, let me write it like this: 2, minus 1, 2, which is equals to 4 2's are 4 I plus minus 2, this is minus 1, 2 into minus 1 j plus 4k. Alright, so this is going to be nothing but 4I minus 2j plus 4k. Okay, 2, minus 1, 2. Now, vector normal to the second surface is given by del phi 2 equals to I into dou phi 2 by dou x plus j into dou phi 2 by dou y plus k into dou phi 2 by dou z. Okay, which is equals to, now we will be differentiating this, right, with partially with respect to x, y, and z. So partially differentiating with respect to x, it is going to be 2xi plus 2yj minus k. This is only z, so minus k. Now at the point, we will simply del phi 2 at the point 2, minus 1, 2 is equals to 4i minus 2j minus we do not have z here, right? So where will we substitute? Nowhere, so it is going to be k. Okay, so this is del phi 1 and this is del phi 2. We already got it. Now we will substitute in the which formula? If theta, let me write it. So if theta is the angle between the surfaces 1 and 2, okay, at 2 comma minus 1 comma 2, then cos theta is equals to del phi 1 into del phi 2 divided by mod of del phi 1 mod of del phi 2. All right, so this is going to be, I can write this as 4i minus 2j plus 4k dot 4i minus 2j minus k, not plus k, sorry, that's a mistake, so I have scratched it, whole divided by mod of these two. So it is going to be 16 plus 4 plus 16, and this is going to be 4 4s are 16 plus 4 plus 1, right? So after simplifying this, we can simply do the dot product of these two. So if we perform the dot product, this I and I will get cancelled. So this is going to be 16 plus 2 2s are 4 minus, it is going to be 4 divided by, this is, if we add this, it is going to be root 36 into root 21, which can be further simplified as 16 divided by 6 6 are 36 into square root of 21. So if you further simplify this, 6 2 3s are, this is what, this is 16, right? So 2 3s are 6, 2 8s are 16, so it is going to be 8 by 3 square root of, in the denominator, square root of 21. Okay, so the theta, that is, this is nothing but the entire thing is cos theta. So theta is going to be the cos inverse of 8 by 3 into square root of 21. Hence this is what, this is angle between the surfaces. Thank you so much for watching with this video. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to share it with your friends, subscribe, hit the bell icon and give a thumbs up.